10,000 baby boomers are retiring every day, and for many of them, they're business owners. And so the key question becomes, as you consider your own estate planning, is how do I make sure that there's a business succession plan to ensure this business that took me a lifetime to build and develop is transferred to the next generation, whether that's a family member or business partner, to ensure that the business and its value is realized for the family that you're leaving behind. Here at Smith Strong, we meet with business owners every week, in person, by Zoom, or on the phone, in as little as 30 minutes or in an hour and a half sit-down meeting, whatever you have time for, to develop a buy-sell agreement or a succession plan. So if you pass away owning this company, there is a specific plan in place to ensure your family realizes the full value of the business you're leaving behind. Don't leave your business to chance. Don't leave your business in the hands of spouses that don't know what to do next. Create a succession plan that ensures your legacy is protected and the value is fully realized. Together we can make that happen as part of a broader estate planning conversation or a very narrowly tailored business succession plan consultation. Either way, we look forward to assisting you. Thank you.